This is Bill Walters with Ertl Farm Toys, and today we're going to be talking about our brand new 164 scale John Deere 8760 Prestige tractor. Before we start talking about our toys, I do want to talk a little bit about the real tractor. So the 60 series four-wheel drive tractors, of which the 8760 that was part of, came out in 1989 and was replaced, or was in the line until 1993 when it was replaced by the 8870 tractor. This tractor had approximately 300 horsepower, gross engine horsepower, and about 240 at the drawbar. It had a V6 turbocharged engine and was known for how well it did on its fuel use. In terms of our toy, you can see it's a very detailed 164 scale, lots of detail in the cab. We've got the hydraulic cylinders for the articulation. We have a really nice 3-point hitch on the back, as well as an authentic rear hitch. It's got some great detail on the muffler and air cleaner, and again, even some of the cab lights. One of the things we've done that's unique for this tractor is we've also randomly inserted some muddy chase units into the production run. So be on the lookout for these when you see them in the store in your John Deere dealership, and check out and see if you can find one of these limited edition muddy units. Thanks.